You want to shoot here?
Oh yeah, let's play up the church.
They're coming out right, I think.
Yeah, they're right side back up.
They have a monkey.
They're running dive. Sorry.
I'm giving them space.
Yeah, just wait for them to dive and I'm gonna no sleep. I want it to slam. Alright, they have nothing. You can engage right now.
Monkey, no jump, monkey. I'm with you. I'm resting shield, Max. I'm resting shield.
I'm gonna charge them.
Back out and stabilize. I'm also at half.
No, Ampar.
I can get a...
Monkey. Actually, back speed. Out.
I got their Ana. We can just stabilize. Don't die and we win.
That was a nice anti.
I don't want to be playing Monk.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good switch.
No, actually, go break.
Go break.
Nice.
Ready? Let's take a fast fight here at Arch.
Yeah, let's go all the way.
They're probably gonna have Zen ult, but I'm gonna drop minefield on them.
Wait, beating?
Probably not. Make this a soft fight.
Alright. As soon as
this is in the choke, speed in, and I'm gonna minefield. Ready? I'm gonna go in 3, 2, 1, going in.
D.Va, no jump. D.Va. On me.
Leave her.
I'm with you. Monkey. Don't let him hurt our backline. He's just feeding ults right now. It's all. Back out. Oh, okay. I'm on Lucio. Lucio half. Lucio 1. We should back out.
All the way out. Just don't need anything.
I'm gonna die either way.
Yeah, can you go Zen and also make sure that you save beat or trans for
I think Lucio...
Yeah, no.
I need to save my amp to beat
Monkey,
it.
no jump.
Speed out of it. Just speed out.
Not gonna lie.
You got it. Just they don't know that you're there. Just hide.
I'm gonna kill this monkey feed him.
Wait. Alright, push. Speed. Nice. I'm with you.
Oh my god.
I'm with you,
no.
D.Va.
No.
Keep pushing. We're so up. No.
Back out. We'll reset at the same time that they do.
Down cart.
I'm gonna set up to stall.
Hey, we'll contest with him and
How do they win that?
Diva, you need to die or go. How close are we?
Are we gonna contest without D.Va then? I'll have Shatter if we do. I gotta get. I'm bit. Help. Okay, I'm here, ball. I'm saving Shatter for that trans. Pocket. Touch.
I just got those Zen. This is so winnable. Don't get.
No C9.
Are we on it?
Yeah. Monkey. Oh my god, that was stressful.
I ate that grab. I got that grab.
Nice, bro.
Really?
Yeah, it's like totally accident.
I am not Mocha.
Oh my god. I still have nano, by the way.
Okay.
we have beat.
How do we want to...
Nanoing need to be a good idea, or Rein if he gets low. I'll call it. Ready? Catch more onto the right.
Sorry, no personal.
Come onto the right. There are monkeys on the right.
Monkey has no heals. Kill him. And a 1. Should be winnable, should be winnable.
D.Va 1, D.Va 1.
Monkey, 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 monkey.
Oh, let's go, dude! Ah! Where are they?
Alright, we got it. I fed Zen some ult 'cause I ran out of shots and I had to triple.
I could throw a cheeky bomb.
I had a triple melee Zen there to kill him.
Tell me when you go for the bomb, because I'm going to try and shatter them.
Yeah.
The monkey's
don't have
gonna
to
try and jump me again, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm amping speed right when he jumps in.
Wait, they have Rein now?
They
Okay, they have
fucked
Rein.
Rein,
They're
man.
fucked, they're fucked, they're fucked.
Just don't. I'll knock him out of the way for a
He's
second.
gonna come off from healing now. No amp.
Sorry, yeah.
I jumped there.
Oh!
Oh my god, dude.
Back out, stabilize, stabilize. Speed, speed.
No amp.
Nice trans.
D.Va.
They're down one. They're down one. That's just cool, man.
Get back.
Nice. No main
No
heals.
heals. No heals.
Oh my god.
Shit.
Go around all over the place.
Do we give it up or do we back out?
I need a health
I
pack.
can
If you
stall
can
for a
hold
bit
it.
more. I can stall.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hold it anymore.
Free.
I have healing for Ana here.
Hello.
They're gonna have. Who did I play that fight? Did they use nano? They use nano. They're gonna have. Beat.
Are we here? Are we here?
Beat. Did they use bomb? Did they use bomb?
Okay, we're pushing, we're pushing.
They probably have shatter beat.
Oh, big.
Nice. Right side, right side, right side.
What's that?
No, back out on our D.Va. I'm on Lucio 1, Lucio 1.
Okay, Rein was one. Got it.
D.Va.
Oh, you guys
Nice.
can fight, and like if we wipe, it's okay. Just don't use ult.
Here, back out.
Wait, did...
Try to make them use ult to get fun.
Okay, see that hold down.
Ready? I'm gonna use
All.
Right.
I'm with you on D.Va. Nice. Bo, you're alone. Back out.
Fight. Kill us right. They're down.
Just make sure we don't use any more ult.
No, they just spawned, I'm asleep.
Yeah, no more ults until.
Okay, no more. Everybody wipe. No, we don't.
No.
Definitely.
Do I
Got it back. Back.
Down point. If you die, down point.
Just everybody group up and spawn and like weird percent. You're way too far forward.
I'm gonna have shatter this fight.
I'm gonna have minefield and shatter, and we have bomb and we have nano, so we should win it. They have. Do they use defensives there at all?
I think they lose Lucio. Let's go. Keep me up, pocket. Fuck. Nice, big.
Right, just run. Right.
He's literally one health. We got it.
Lucio.
Lucio 1 HP. Sorry, next. Sorry.
I'm gonna go up and flank him.
All coming in.
I got him up. Good work, guys. Hell yeah. Very clean.
Holy fuck.
Jonathan, guys. This is why. Alright, how long until the next one? Because I'm just gonna be sitting in the airport.
Yo!
Dude, you're too okay. Holy fuck. That's good.
Yo, guys, if anybody... Ash. Hello?